Hello everyone. So welcome to my channel is Biology Lover. So my name is Gaurav Kaur and today our new topic is body fluid and circulation, means one shot on body fluid and circulation. Okay. So this is the chapter of class 11 and my previous video there is one shot on human reproduction is the chapter of class 12. So means I will uploaded the video is one video for class 11 and another video for class 12 alternatively. Okay, so let's start. Body fluid, we all know that in our body there are two types of fluid, is blood and lymph. Okay, so in blood there is a liquid part and also there is a solid part. Liquid part is a plasma which is 55% and solid part has the cells which is 45%. In cell there are three types. RBCs means red blood corpuscles. There are WBCs means white blood corpuscles and there are platelets. Okay, so what is plasma? Plasma is a watery part. It contain protein, it contain mineral and it have clotting factor. So it have a clotting factor. Okay, so what is plasma protein means what there are in plasma protein there are three types of protein are present. Okay, so first is fibrinogen. It is responsible for clotting of blood. Okay, second is globulin. It is responsible for immunity of blood. Third is albumin. It is responsible for osmotic balance. Okay, means uh, when the blood osmotic pressure has low down, then albumin repair the blood cell and it takes the balance. Okay, and one extra thing is serum. What is this is a plasma without clotting factor. Okay, serum is a extra word. What is plasma without clotting factor means all the plasma have clotting factor, but serum is one of the which has a clotting factor. Okay, so we already read out that there are three blood cells means RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC have 5 to 5.5 million per meter cube, okay, of blood. WBC is 6,000 to 8,000 and platelets is 1.5 lakh to 3.5 lakh in blood. Okay, and next is RBC. Okay, what is RBC means in details. In adult RBC, nucleus is absent. Okay, in adult RBC, there has no nucleus. The shape of RBC is biconcave. Okay, you all know the shape of RBC is biconcave. In RBC, hemoglobin is present which carries oxygen. This oxygen is converting in lungs, means CO2 is converted in O2 when our heart is pumping. Okay, lifespan of RBC is 120 days. This is important question in point of view of NEET. It can NEET can give us that what is the lifespan of RBC. Okay, graveyard of RBC is spleen. We all know that the graveyard of RBC is spleen. Okay. So next is WBC, white blood corpuscles. It has like the army, means in our body when fever viruses come, it attacks that virus and protect the body. Okay, so RBC is colorless. In adult RBC, nucleus is present. Okay, but in adult sorry, WBC is colorless. In adult WBC, nucleus is present, but in adult RBC there is no nucleus. Okay, so there is one thing to note down, that the lifespan of WBC is 13 to 20 days. Okay, so WBCs are of two types, granulocyte and agranulocyte. Okay, granulocyte and agranulocyte. What are granulocyte? Neutrophils, eosinophils and basophils are granulocyte, and agranulocyte are monocyte and lymphocyte. Okay, platelets. Platelets are mainly for the blood clotting. Okay, produced from megakaryocytes. Okay, then 1.5 to 3.5 lakhs meter cube platelets of blood are present. Function is clotting of blood. Okay, so next is blood grouping. How can we uh, determine that the person have which blood group? Okay, it's A, it's AB, it's B, it's O. Then there is positive factor and there is negative factor also. Okay, so blood grouping are of two types, ABO blood grouping and RH factor. Okay, so ABO blood grouping is type, blood groups are means blood groups are A, B, AB and O. Their antigens are, A means the blood group is their antigen is A blood group has A antigen, B blood group has B antigen, AB blood group has AB antigen, means A and B antigen. Okay, and O blood group has no antigen. Antibody, A blood group has B antibody, B blood group antibody, B blood group has A antibody, AB has nothing, and O has AB blood group, AB antigen. Okay, donor is, in blood group A, there is A and O are the donor. In blood group B, there is B and O donor. In blood group AB, there is A, there is B, there is AB, there is O. In blood group O, there is O donor. Here a question is arrived that universal donor is O negative, blood group O negative, and universal acceptor is AB positive. Okay, so RH factor, RH antigen on rhesus monkey, means the RH is coming from the monkey, rhesus monkey. Okay, so erythroblastosis, phytolysis, means this is produced. Okay, when in during of pregnancy when uh, mother have Rh negative. After giving a birth of a child, the child have Rh uh, positive in first pregnancy. If the uh, mother have a second pregnancy and if the child have Rh positive, then that baby will die. Okay, so our next is lymph. Lymph is tissue fluid or interstitial fluid. Okay, it is colorless. It has WBC, means lymphocyte, and it absorbs the fats. Okay, so the process of blood clotting. Okay, prothrombin is converted into thrombin by thrombokinase, means prothrombin when clotted the blood into thrombin by thrombokinase, and if the fibrin is converted into fibrinogen, it the agent is thrombin, means this is here. Okay, and calcium is needed in blood clotting. uh, Here is the vitamin K is also for blood clotting. Okay, so circulatory part is open types in arthropods, mollusk, means arthropods and mollusk have open circulatory path of heart, and annelids and chordates. Chordates means we human, annelids means which have chordata. Okay, they have closed type. We humans have closed heart. Okay, so human heart is mesodermally derived. It is protected by pericardium. There is a thin layer which is present outside the heart which protect the heart. Okay, it present two atria and two ventricle. We all know left atria, right atria, left ventricle, right ventricle. Ventricles are more muscular for the contraction of the blood. Okay, there is tricuspid valve, there is bicuspid valve. Tricuspid valve are present in right atria and right ventricle, and bicuspid valve is present in left atria and left ventricle. There is SA node. We already know that there are four nodes: SA node, AV node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fiber. There are four nodal tissues. In that four nodal uh, tissues, SA node is natural pacemaker, we called as. Okay, then the heart sound. Heart sound is lub dub. Lub and dub. Lub is closure of tricuspid valve and dub is closure of seminal valve. Okay, then next is ECG. ECG. What is the full form of ECG? Is electrocardiograph, and the uh, machine which we detect the ECG is electrocardio. Sorry. The full form of ECG is electrocardiograph, and the machine which we detect is electrocardiogram. Okay, so it has P wave, QRS wave, and T wave. Okay, P wave is depolarization of atria. Okay, QRS wave is depolarization of ventricles, and T wave is repolarization of ventricles. Okay, so cardiac cycle. What is cardiac cycle? Cardiac cycle is when our heartbeat is 72 times per minute. So 72 is beat per 60 second means 1 minute. That's 0.8 second is a cardiac cycle. Okay, is a cardiac cycle. Cardiac output it is stroke volume is 70 ml. 70 ml of blood is stroked out in 1 minute. There is 72 times heart is beaten. Then 5 liter blood is already pumped all over the body. Okay. So the disorders and disorders. Okay, hypertension. When hypertension is occur, the BP is high. There is normal BP is 20 by 80 Hg. Okay, there is coronary artery disease means narrow artery due to calcium, fat deposition or cholesterol. Arteria become the narrow due to the excess amount of cholesterol. Angina means chest pain when O2 is not reached to heart muscle. Okay, it's also a disease. Means a deadly disease means O2 is our main resource. It if it not come to reach the heart muscle, then how can a person survive? Then heart failure. Heart failure means heart attack when pumping of blood is not done or no pumping of blood. Okay, so I wish you all have a good good teaching or good lecture. You all feel good. Okay, so thanks and keep sharing and like this video. Okay, if you like it. Thank you.